Hello players! In this video I will show you a small introduction to the calculation model the second, professional version. Calculation model consists of several function blocks. The first block is worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These worksheets are used to prepare decision for the current period. These worksheets are main tools in the model. They allow you to make a detailed decision for the current period based on forecast of demand for your product. Calculations are automated, provided with tips and visual indicators. Each worksheet consists of 4 blocks: manufacture of products, demand forecast in the current period, the next one, financial block, and block which is used to optimize parameters of your decision. For example, I can analyze prices and find the right variant for my decision. Now I will copy new prices into the decision, and you can see that demand forecast is changed according to my new prices. All other parameters are also automatically calculated. The next worksheet is finance. This worksheet is used to review decisions of competitors, see sales of products, and compare current state of each company individually. Finance worksheet displays only main parameters of the companies without unnecessary information. So this worksheet is very useful for a quick evaluation of the situation in the group. The next block is history. History worksheet contains data from history of the company and all management reports. It shows only main taken decisions. This worksheet is especially useful for a quick overview of new scenario when you have a lack of time. For example, when playing in national or international final. Next block is Goodwill. You can see a table which contains main factors that affect company's goodwill. Embedded tips help to make right decision to maximize goodwill and investment performance of the company. Next worksheet is strategy. This worksheet is used to prepare decisions for all 5 periods at once. Worksheet is used to develop a proper strategy before start of the game and forecast situation for the several periods in advance, and also make best decision in the current period. It allows you to simulate the result of any of your decision for whole 5 periods. Next block is configuration. Configuration worksheet contains settings for a particular scenario with elasticity of demand factors and basic data for automatic calculations in model. You can see that this model is optimized for scenario 17C1. Worksheet shows tips about influence of demand factors on market. You can see advertising, assembly time, prices, and others. Next worksheet is language. It contains all names and titles for easy translating, if you need it, of course. The next block is worksheets D1, D2, 3, 4 and 5. This worksheet contains final decision for current period. Format of the worksheet is very similar to the first worksheet of management report. Data derived from the corresponding worksheet of prepared decision. For example, data from the first worksheet is placed on worksheet D1. It means decision 1. And the last one is blocked with worksheets from 11 to 105. It is an ordinary management reports worksheet. 5 for history and 5 for game reports. If you are interested in this calculation model, you can find a link for purchase in the descriptions of this video. Thank you.